Today, super easy and super tasty Finnish rhubarb pie. Rhubarb season was almost over, but when visiting Finland I was able to get 1 pound of fresh rhubarb. Well, let's start by peeling them, because this outer skin is not very nice. It's actually quite bitter, and the whole rhubarb, that is, and it has a lot of oxalic acid, which we can neutralize with milk products. So the pound of rhubarb resulted in about 2 cups of rhubarb pieces, small pieces. I put them to a clean jar and add almost half a cup of sugar to make them sweeter. No worries that it's very full. These will go down because I will prepare this for next day. So tomorrow, yeah, this is already tomorrow. They have already went down a lot. So, and also they are sweeter. So milk products, you could make vanilla sauce in many ways. This is just like a quick and dirty version now. I am having condensed milk, 1 cup of it, and then 3 tablespoons of milk. Mixing those and heating them up, a little bit of butter, that is about 1 tablespoon. Just mixing them up and then off the heat and adding a couple of tablespoons of vanilla sugar. Then sauce to the fridge to cool down. Let's make the cake. Let's add 1/3 of a cup of sugar to 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. Then let's add 1/3 of a cup of milk and 1 egg. Then let's mix all these wet ingredients. Then we have the dry ingredients. I have here 1 cup of flour, or half a cup, but I will add another one later, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's mix them and let's add them to the dough. If the dough feels very wet, you can add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons more of the flour. Then let's take a baking sheet and parchment paper and let's add all the dough on the paper and spread it out. I have to say, this kind of spatula is very nice. I haven't had these earlier, and it's really good one, the silicone type of spatula, to get all the dough from the bowl. Now let's take those rhubarbs and let's just add them evenly on top of the dough and add the whole thing to the oven. This won't actually take long, only about 10 minutes in 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's see how it is. If it still looks like this, it will need a couple of minutes more. And let's see, how about now? Okay, now it's nice and brown. Okay, this is good to go. Wait for it to cool down a bit and then enjoy with vanilla ice cream or with vanilla sauce. Enjoy!